A spotless home isn't just a dream. With a few clever hacks and smart habits, it can become your everyday reality. By making small changes, you can keep your home clean all year round without feeling overwhelmed. Welcome to FastKlean, your go-to channel for easy, practical cleaning tips. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves a fresh, tidy home. A few daily habits can make a big difference. Spend just 5 minutes tidying up each room. Follow the one-touch rule, clean as you cook, and leave your shoes at the door. These simple steps prevent mess from piling up and save you time later. For stubborn messes, a few smart tricks work wonders. White vinegar dissolves lime scale, lemon steam cleans your microwave, baking soda freshens carpets, and a hairdryer can remove water rings from wood. Even a squeegee can lift pet hair with ease. Every season, give your home a deeper clean. In spring, declutter and freshen up fabrics. In summer, clean fans and outdoor spaces. In autumn, tackle windows and storage. In winter, focus on disinfecting and deep cleaning appliances. To make it all easier, create a cleaning schedule, stock up on multi-purpose products, delegate tasks, and invest in time-saving tools like robot vacuums and steam mops. A clean home isn't just about appearances. It means less stress, better health, and more time for the things you love. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to FastKlean, and share your favorite cleaning hack in the comments below.